May the 9th, 2021. Happy Mother's Day around the planet. I hope all of you are having a great one. You're looking at the point to where they're saying the rocket we've been tracking, the booster section, re-entered the atmosphere. And if you look closely, you'll see this is the Maldives Islands. To the right is the tip of India. To the right of that and south is Sri Lanka. And some reports are saying it would be interesting to find out if the Maldives Islands took any debris field. But again, this entry point is well up into the atmosphere, and you have forward scattering. You've seen, just like when any other spacecraft re-enters, you'll see this long burn-in period, or when you see a meteor come in, fireballs, you've got a long burn period. So more than likely, it would be much further out into the ocean at this point as far as debris. Not saying some may not have failed, I don't know, but it does take a minute. And again, I'm going to show you the links of a couple of videos that people filmed the re-entry. It's pretty sharp. But they're saying it re-entered at 0224 UTC time at 72 degrees, 0.47 east, 22.65 degrees north. It's interesting. It came in at night there, and some of the videos are pretty amazing. It does look like a large meteor coming in, and it almost looks like it's tumbling somewhat at that point. They said it would be out of control. Now, this is just a still shot from a video. I'm going to link you to the video and show you the page. It's on a Twitter page, but I'll show you that. And there's one where it's also where the sun has gone down. It's even more brilliant than this. But again, it looks like a meteorite. This almost looks like a jet plane up there. But in especially the night video, you can see the glow change, get dimmer and brighter. And it, again, almost as if it's tumbling through that section. Now, the Twitter page is from Jonathan McDonald. It's at Planet 4589. China Now Reporting. And this is what I was just reading to you. And I'm going to link you to that particular Twitter site. Again, it's at Planet 4589. If you scroll down, see different comments, some of the mapping. Here is the video from the daytime. And if you scroll down, you'll see one where it looks like a star now, but it gets much brighter as it comes in. One and during the nighttime, pretty interesting. Again, you can see what appears to be the tumbling effect. But I just wanted to update it, guys. Go there and check out not only the comments in this section from Jonathan McDowell's Twitter page, but other folks are there. It's interesting. There's a lot of information there. But again, happy Mother's Day. Have a great Sunday.